Hello viewers, here we have a Uniden Loud and Clear telephone. Whoa. This is model D3098S. You can see the box here. Unfortunately there's a shipping label on there. So I've had this sitting out here for a couple of hours now because it came in and it was very cold because it's like 20 something degrees out today, and I didn't want to plug it in and then there'd be a fiasco because the board got a condensation on it or something. But I think it's warmed up enough now to plug it in. So, here's my least favorite power adapter, PS0034. These are just not very well made. The cord is very stiff and I've seen these break before. And this plug is obnoxiously small. But, that aside, I happen to really like these phones. So let's get this powered up here. Now it came with this cord, and I'm guessing because this cord, I'm guessing this cord was never used because it looks like it's in factory condition. I think these cords are probably about the same length, but maybe not, I don't know. These are very tight. I mean, the realistic usable distance is probably maybe this much, which is not, I mean, even at this point it's getting pretty hard to pull it apart. So that's why this probably wasn't used and was replaced with this, which is a lot more practical. So we'll just test it with this cord for now. It did come with the cordless phone. The cordless phone has never been used. It's still got this plastic on the screen. Unfortunately, the seller failed to include the battery. I'm pretty sure that was a mistake because I saw the battery in the listing photographs. So I'm just going to grab another one that I have on hand here and see if I can find one. Here we go. Hopefully this has a charge to it. It does. Relax. Okay. And I'm going to plug this in just to make... What in the world? I'm going to plug this in just to make sure it charges. And it came with the rare belt clip, which is cool. So let's just make sure that works. Yep, there we have it. Ooh, I turned it on. I guess it doesn't matter, the phone is not connected yet. Alright, so that's cool, that's working. So let's set the time here. Today is 12. Oh, I don't know. What is today? I think it's the 16th. Nope, that was yesterday. 17th. And the time is approximately 7:15. It came with this phone cord. This is probably not the original one, but it's nice because it's longer than average. So I'll probably use this at some point somewhere. But Actually, I guess we can use it for the testing. We might as well make sure it works. Oh, that's not going to fit through there very well. It's not worth the hassle. Alright, let's see here. Let's change the ringtone here. That's my favorite one of the selections on here. And we'll do this here. Let's change this as well. And we'll turn this off. And we can add it here. Do that for now. Let's see here. Okay, I think we're ready to test it. It's not connected yet. Let's get this connected to the phone line here. Okay. Let's see here. Let's get this visible in the video and then I'll ring up these phones. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's not what I wanted. Here we go.
Call from Oakland, NJ. Call from Oakland, NJ.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. I guess that other phone wasn't on speaker. Okay, let me grab the test phone here and then we'll check it out. Hello.
Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It sounds like it's working correctly. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. Check, check, check. That is working correctly as well. And get ready for a feedback freak show. Okay. Check.
Check. Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, that works. Maybe it would help if I put this off speaker too. And transmitted to here. Hello. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's working. Let's get this on hold and grab it on the handset. Cordless handset, that is. Testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay. Check. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that seems to work. I can't fathom this doesn't work, but we'll just check all the buttons in case. Okay, that's good.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Check, check. 1, 2, 3. No feedback, which is nice. Nope, there's a little bit of feedback. Hello. Okay.
1.
No messages.
How are we going to check that button? I guess we got to call and leave a message. What happened?
Three, 6, 6, 4, 2, 4, 2.
Good evening. Know how. Answering system is on.
We'll let the weather phone leave a message.
Call from private caller.
Oh, you know what? It's going to take too long. Okay. So, let me call this up again. And actually, let me cancel. Let's check the greeting on here.
Hi, you have reached the office of...
Okay, there is somebody on here. So for now, just change it to the default greeting.
Hi, you have reached the office...
Alright, you know what? Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put this on silent just for an hour. And I'm going to call and leave a message. It is calling.
Hi, you have reached the... Thank you very much.
This is a test message on the Uniden Loud and Clear telephone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Goodbye. Okay. So we do have a message on here now. And this is blinking. And it says new message. Let's get silent off. I think I'm going to turn this because I think it's going to show the number when I go and play this. Let's get out of there.
1 old message.
This is a test message on the Uniden Loud and Clear telephone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Goodbye.
End of messages. To delete all.
Okay. So that does in fact seem to be working. So, yeah, that's it. I guess we'll test this other cord too. Because I'd rather use this cord. Okay, that's working good. Alright, that's gonna be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.